Good day, everyone. Today we're going to be diving into the electrical technology or the digital electronics of grade 10, Term 3 scope. Within the first and second week, we're going to be learning about the electronic components, or that will be the main topic of the first and third week. Within week 1, we see the LED, which you're going to be taught about the symbol LED as a polarized component, forwarding biasing, concept only, reverse biasing, concept only, current flow through and voltage across LED. The resistor series, which is OR series, equals to VT minus V LED or V LED ohm. Week 2, you are going to be given a practical where you test the diode and LED for correct function and polarity, calculate the value of the series resistor needed to protect an LED, build a half-wave rectifier using a diode and 50 Hz supply, etc., etc. Build a full wave rectifier using a diode bridge, 4 diodes, 2 diodes, and 50 Hz supply. Display on oscilloscope. Week 3 to week 9, you're going to be learning, or you're going to be touching on the main topic of logics. Within week 3, you're going to be introduced into logics, digital and analog, where you have to explain the difference, the use of number systems in digital electronics, decimal to binary, binary to decimal, addition and subtraction of binary, just in decimal. Week 4, we dive into the truth table and Boolean expression, IEC and American symbols, basic to input logic functions of NOT and NAND, or the NAND, combination of AND gate and the NOT gate. Week 5, we speak about the American symbols, OR, NOR, combination of O and combination of OR and NOT, X dash OR, X dash NOR, equivalent circuits using switches to stimulate gates. Within week 6, you'll be provided practical where they check the stimulation of logic circuits using switches, relays, and 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 OR. Practical stimulation of logical gates using logic ICs and OR. Within week 7, you learn about the diode logic, principle of operation of diode logic, equivalent circuit diagrams of logic gates using diode logic, practical stimulation of logic circuits using diode logic, AND, OR, and NAD, NOR, and X dash NOR. Week 8, we check on the combinational circuits, definition of the combinational circuits using 2, 3, and 4 operands, truth table and Boolean expression, IEC and American symbols, basic 2 input logic function and combinational circuits, AND, OR, NOT, NOR, NAND, XO, and XNOR. 4 times 2 input gate combination maximum. Week 9, you're going to be provided a practical stimulation of combinational logic circuits using logic ICs. Week 10, you're going to be provided a packed consolidation and revision. Stimulation 3, design part 2. Enclosure design completed and included in the file. Unique name written down. Logo design. Building the enclosure and installing circuits in the enclosure. Within week 10, you're gonna be diving into the PET consolidation and assessment, where within the design will be a part 2 where you discuss the enclosure design completed and included in the file. Unique name written down. Logo design. Building the enclosure and installing circuits in the enclosure. So this is what you're going going to learn within the electrical technology, digital electronics of grade 10 term 3.